Is CoConstruct the right software for your construction business? That's the big question we're answering today. Stick with me till the end, because you'll get the full picture on how this software can either be a game changer or not for your business. Plus, I'll tell you how to get a free trial with exclusive bonuses. CoConstruct is a construction management tool designed to streamline project workflows, improve communication with clients, and track financials all in one place. So, does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in. First thing, it's all about simplifying communication. CoConstruct allows you to easily manage client communication, which means no more sifting through endless email chains or missed texts. You can send updates directly through the software and get real-time feedback, which is key for keeping your projects running smoothly. If you're tired of dealing with back and forth communication through multiple channels, this feature might just save you time and headaches. Next thing, the project management aspect. CoConstruct helps you track every phase of the project, from budgeting to scheduling and everything in between. You can manage timelines, assign tasks, and track progress without needing to jump between different apps or spreadsheets. For construction businesses handling multiple projects, this centralization can help you stay organized and keep things on track. The third thing to consider is financial tracking. CoConstruct comes with budgeting and invoicing features that let you stay on top of expenses and manage client payments. This is super useful for avoiding surprises when it comes to costs and ensures clients see where their money is going. If you struggle with invoicing or tracking project costs manually, this software has a built-in solution to help streamline that process. Next up, the mobile app. CoConstruct has a mobile version that allows you and your team to manage projects on the go. Whether you're at the job site or meeting with clients, you can access all the information you need from your phone. This feature is especially useful for construction businesses that are always moving, ensuring you have full control no matter where you are. The fifth thing you'll want to know is the customization options. CoConstruct isn't one size fits all. You can tailor it to fit your specific workflow. If you have particular needs or project types, this software allows you to make adjustments that work best for you and your team. This flexibility can make a huge difference, especially if you've struggled with rigid software in the past. Lastly, the integration with other tools. CoConstruct plays well with popular software, like QuickBooks and various accounting tools. This means if you're already using some other platform for finances or customer relationship management, you won't have to overhaul your entire system to make CoConstruct work for you. So, is CoConstruct right for your construction business? If you need a solution that helps with communication, project tracking, budgeting, and more, it could be the perfect fit. But keep in mind, it's not the only tool out there, and whether it's the best option depends on your specific needs and business size. If you're interested in trying CoConstruct for yourself, the good news is that you can get started completely free from the first link in the description below, and you'll also get access to exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. At the end of the day, CoConstruct can be a powerful tool to help construction businesses run more efficiently, but you'll need to consider if it's the right fit for your operations. Try it out with our exclusive free trial, and see if it helps streamline your workflow the way it's helped so many others.